Of class 7. Today I am giving you the fourth video of history lesson 2, rise and spread of Islam. Now in this part we are going to learn that Harun al-Rashid was the fifth caliph of the Abbasid Caliphate. He ruled in the late 8th to the early 9th century. His period was called as the Islamic Golden Age. He ensured peace, prosperity, and political stability and patronized poetry. He built the famous library in Baghdad called the Bayat al-Hikmah, means house of wisdom. And children, Harun the Just was known for his sense of justice and wisdom. Now, what was the contribution of Arabs in the field of literature and philosophy? Harun al-Rashid inspired many legends. Such legends later found place in the stories of the 1001 Nights. The Sanskrit word Panchtantra, for instance, was translated into Arabic as Khalila wa Divana. It was later known in Europe as the Fables of Pippai after the narrator or Vidyapati. Now, a work of worldwide fame is the Rubaiyat, which is written by Umar Khayyam. Now, we are going to discuss what was the contribution of Arabs in the field of science. Muslim scientists initially studied and translated Greek and Indian works in astronomy, astrology, and medicine. The Arabs were able to make great progress in the use of lenses and built observatories that provided accurate astronomical data. They also found that the earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun. Arab philosophers like Ibn Sina made great contribution in the field of diagnosing diseases. The study of medicine. Ibn Sina's work, The Canon of Medicine, was used in many medical schools. Now, what is alchemist? Alchemist means medieval chemical scientist. They discovered new metals, drugs, and other substances. They attained great expertise in chemistry and in preparing medicines. Now, what is the role of Arabs in mathematics? The Arabs borrowed the decimal system and the concept of zero from India. They introduced the Hindu-Arabic numerals. They invented algebra. They also learned Greek concepts of geometry and made remarkable progress in trigonometry. Now, Islam architecture flourished under the Persian rulers. They built palaces, libraries, educational institutions, hospitals, mosques, and tombs. Now, Islam does not allow the use of human forms in decoration. So, the Islamic paintings and sculpture depicted geometric patterns and floral designs. Buildings were often decorated with mosaics and calligraphy, a form of ornamental writing. So, here we end lesson 2, Rise and Spread of Islam.